Looks like it is nap time in the donkey pasture. We got Frankie napping in a hay pile and Lorelai napping beside hay piles. They are getting along great. It's also nap time for 4 of the horses. We got Delilah, Reba, Cruiser, and Joe looks dead out there. Delilah decided to get up. Victor's watching over him, and then Junebug is nowhere to be seen. She's somewhere else.
Josephine! Josephine!
Is
Are you
it
awake?
carcass
I see that ear
time?
twitching. You guys look so pretty.
She's got her teeth out and everything, having a good nap.
Oh goodness.
Have a good time sunbathing, I guess. She got up a little bit. And then here's June, all by herself, like always. It's also Goody nap time. We got Enzo napping, Danny's napping, and Tony's napping. We also got Finny napping. It's just nap time at Curtis Creek Ranch today. Yeah.